Here's a quick video on how to replace the rear wiper blade on an Acura MDX. This is good from a 2014 to a 2020 MDX. You'll need a 14-inch wiper blade. I have a link in the description below so you can buy it on Amazon. When you put the new one on, make sure this is facing the passenger side. Hold the whole assembly up. This is bad. Anyway, this is how you do this. Make sure it's seated correctly. And that's it. Now pull this off and you're done. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.